A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to 7th class IIT Chemistry online class. In the previous class, we already discussed about importance of chemistry and periodic table. Now, we will discuss about importance of periodic table and modern periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Explanation for position of some elements. Explanation for the position of isotopes. Atomic number is the most fundamental property which characterizes an element. Atomic number means how many number of protons in the nucleus, that is called the atomic number. Then next one is the explanation for the positions of some elements. Atomic number and atomic mass. Atomic number means number of protons in the nucleus is called the atomic number. When the elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic number, we get table of elements known as modern periodic table. What is the meaning of modern periodic table? Modern periodic table means we arranged in the increasing order of elements their atomic number wise, that is called the modern periodic law. In before so many periodic laws are there. Newland's octets theory, Mendeleev's periodic theory. These all are depends upon the atomic mass wise. Modern periodic law classified into their atomic number wise. Then that is also arranged by the increasing order of elements. Here we will discuss argon 40 atomic number, potassium 39, cobalt and nickel. Positions of elements having identical properties in different groups. Justification of placing dissimilar elements together. One position for one element. Listen carefully. In the periodic table, more than 118 elements are there. That elements arranged in the atomic number wise and increasing order wise. Here, dissimilar elements together here, that is explained by the modern periodic table or modern periodic law. Periodic table divided by the groups and periods. Groups and periods. Description of modern periodic table. Periods. The horizontal rows of elements in the periodic table are called periods. Listen carefully. Horizontal rows of elements in the periodic table are called periods. Groups. The vertical opposite of periods. The vertical columns of elements in the periodic table are called groups. The vertical columns of elements in the periodic table are called groups. There are 18 groups in the modern periodic table. How many groups are there? 18 groups and 7 periods are there. Representative elements. The elements of groups 1, 2, 13 to 17 are called representative elements. The chemical properties of the representative elements are determined by the number of valency electrons in their atoms. Elements of group 18 are known as the noble gases. Here, valency means what? Valency means combining capacity or vacant of electrons is called the valency shell or valency. Periodic table separated by the metals and non-metals also. It has simplified the study of 117 diverse elements and their compounds. It has helped us immensely to correlated the properties of elements with their atomic numbers and electronic configuration to find relationships between various elements. Before going to our periodic table, we will discuss about atomic number and atomic mass number. Atomic number. The number of protons present in the nucleus is equal to the number of electrons in extranuclear part of an atom is called as atomic number of an element. Listen carefully. The sum of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is called the atomic mass number. It is represented by Z. Atomic number represented by the Z. Atomic mass number represented by the A. Atomic number is given by Z equal to P equal to E. Atomic number equal to proton equal to electron. Atomic mass number is given by A equal to P plus N. Atomic mass number equal to proton plus neutron. Atomic number decides the position of element in the periodic table. Atomic mass number does not decides or indicates the position of elements in the periodic table. Atomic number does not indicates the mass of nucleus of atom. Atomic number indicates the mass of nucleus of atom. Different elements have different atomic numbers. What is that? Different elements have different atomic numbers. Atoms of the same or different elements may or may not have the same atomic mass number. Now, what is the periodic table? The periodic table is a way of organizing the elements. All of the known elements can be found in the periodic table. What is that? Periodic table is a way of organizing the elements. Elements are placed in size order. Elements are increasing order of the atomic number. Increasing order of the atomic number. For example, hydrogen having atomic number 1 and helium atomic number is 2. Similar elements are found near to each other. For example, similarity means nearby elements all are metals. The next second group all elements are alkali metals. Next one alkali earth metals. Like that, these are the similarities. Already we know that the periodic table is arranged into groups and periods. Groups are vertical. Total 8 groups are there. Then 8 groups having subgroups. Total 18 groups are there. Groups are written with Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 0 group. That is the noble gases or inert gases. 0 group is called the noble gases or inert group. The middle of the periodic table is known as the transition elements. Listen carefully. Here showing yellow color. Total middle group of elements are called the transition elements. Periods are horizontal lines. Periods are horizontal lines. Total 7 periods are there. Total how many periods are there? 7 periods are there. Horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are called the periods. Vertical columns are called the groups. Periods are numbered 1 to 7. 7 periods are there. Total 8 groups are there. Do not worry about the bottom part of the periodic table at the moment. This periodic table, bottom of the part is called the lanthanides and actinides. We can find which element is located at a different part of the periodic table. The element found in group 5 period 3. One of the element found in group 5 period 3. What is that? It is sulfur. Element is sulfur, that is group 5 and period 3. Or we can find the location of an element, for example strontium. It is in group 2 period 5. Symbols of elements. Every element in the periodic table has a symbol with important information. Here carbon, their atomic number is 6. This is the number of protons found the nucleus of an atom. The periodic table is organized by atomic number. The next given 12 is the atomic mass number. Atomic mass number means that is the number of protons and number of neutrons. Sum of the number of protons and number of neutrons is called the atomic mass number. Atomic number means that is the number of protons in the nucleus is called the atomic number. Once again listen. The mass number or nuclear number. This is the average mass of an atom in atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit, that is the AMU. It is also the number of protons and neutrons found in the nucleus of an atom. Atomic mass number, another name is a nuclear number. Unit of atomic mass is AMU, atomic mass unit. Atomic number represented by capital Z and atomic mass number represented by the capital A. The element's name. Element name is carbon. The element symbol. The first letter is always a capital letter and subsequent letters are lowercase. For example, carbon only there, that is the capital C. For example, calcium, same letter C and A. C is the uppercase, A is the lowercase. Here example, Cu, Na, Mg. Cu means copper, Na means sodium, Mg means magnesium. These are the symbol of elements, atomic number and atomic mass number. In summary, elements are placed in the periodic table in order based on their atomic number. Similar elements are grouped together. Groups are vertical, periods are horizontal. The middle section of the periodic table does not contain groups and is known as the transition elements. Every element has a symbol. The first letter must be the capital. The atomic number tells us how many protons are in an atom. The mass number tells us the combined number of protons and neutrons. Dear students, listen carefully. I will explain now. In the periodic table, 1 to 30 element names and their atomic numbers and symbol. Atomic number 1, that is the hydrogen, symbol capital H. Number 2, helium, symbol is He. First letter is uppercase, second letter is lowercase. Atomic number 3, lithium, Li. Atomic number 4, beryllium, symbol Be. Atomic number 5, boron, symbol capital B. Atomic number 6, carbon, symbol capital C. Atomic number 7, nitrogen, symbol is capital N. Atomic number 8, Element name is oxygen, symbol is O. Atomic number 9, element fluorine, symbol is F. Atomic number 10, neon, symbol is Ne. Atomic number 11, sodium. Here symbol is Na. Listen carefully. Sodium, that is the Latin name is nitrium. Symbol is Na. Next one, atomic number 12, magnesium, that is Mg. 13, aluminium, symbol Al. See here, first letter is the capital letter, second letter is small letter. Atomic number 4, silicon, Si. Atomic number 15, phosphorus, capital P. 16, sulfur, S. 17, chlorine, Cl. 18, argon, Ar. 19, potassium, K. Here potassium also one of the Latin name, kalium, symbol is capital K. Next one is the atomic number 20, calcium, Ca. 21, scandium, Sc. 22, titanium, Ti. 23, vanadium, capital V. 24, chromium, Cr. 25, manganese, Mn. 26, iron, that name is ferrous, Fe. 27, cobalt, Co. 28, nickel, Ni. 29, copper, Cu. 30, zinc, Zn. These are the 30 elements names and their symbols, atomic numbers. Dear students, your homework is write 20 element names and their symbols and atomic numbers. Your homework, once again I will explain. Hydrogen, atomic number 1, capital H. Helium, He. Hydrogen, capital H. Helium, He. Their atomic number is 2. Atomic number 3, that is lithium, Li. Helium, capital H. E. Lithium, capital L. I. 4. Beryllium, Be. 5. Boron, capital B. 6. Atomic number carbon, capital C. 7. Atomic number, that is nitrogen, capital N. 8. Atomic number oxygen, that is the capital O. Oxygen atomic number what? 8. Next one is the fluorine, atomic number 9, capital F. 10. Atomic number neon, symbol is Ne. 11. Atomic number sodium, the symbol is Na, that is the Latin name nitrium. Atomic number 12, magnesium, Mg. 13, aluminium, Al. 14, silicon, Si. 15, phosphorus, capital P. 16, sulfur, S. 17, chlorine, Cl, capital C and small l. 18, argon, Ar. 19, potassium, kalium, capital K, Latin name is. 20, calcium, Ca. These 20 element names by heart it. Write one time names and symbols. Thank you and God bless you all.